Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I've got this Parkside 20-volt chainsaw which I picked up in Lidl. This 20-volt cordless chainsaw from Parkside is a PKSA20-LIC3 bare unit, battery and charger not included. It's a 30cm bar but with 23cm cutting capacity. It's got 180ml of oil included in the pack. It's got anti-kickback and a recoil brake. The recommended battery is a 4A. As with a lot of these little DIY chainsaws, it's got a tool-free chain tensioning system. Also boasts the rather impressive 3-year warranty, which is standard in these Parkside green machines. First impressions, a lot of thought has gone into this little saw to keep it simple for the novice. With a starter pack of oil, manual that would take about a fortnight to read, and the no-tool chain tensioning system that I've already mentioned. It's also got a numbered system on the chain brake at the top. My favourite feature of the whole lot is the bar oil reservoir, which is fillable from the top and has a clear side which shows the level of oil in the tank. That should be enough to get us going. This size of battery to use, and this is a 4A like recommended in the box. I have here 2A, so that'll get us going and let us know what she's all about. This saw is light enough. I wouldn't say it's very well balanced. You can hold it with one hand, but it's designed for two. I would recommend that. So here we have a 3x3, 3" by 3" piece of wood. So we'll try her on this to see how she does. That wasn't bad. I'll try that again. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. This little chainsaw was ready to go right out of the box. All I had to do is add a bit of bar oil and a full battery and she was ready to roll. This is in fact a 10" bar and the chain. An aftermarket chain from Oregon is readily available. It's a 90PX044. I'll put a link in the description and pinned in the comment section. On balance, a good little DIY saw, and for the price of $64.99, I couldn't go wrong. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.